Quick update video, what is happening right now with Bitcoin and today's Luna launch, and I want to talk with you about Luna. So let us watch quickly. We see here Luna, the Luna chart. You see today it was launched on Bybit, for example, at 50 cents, and was the all-time high was at 30 cents, and then we saw this huge dump to even $5 or even less, and right now we are at around $6, like you see, right now we are at around $6 Luna, right? And you should get an airdrop of Luna if you had before. And if you get one, I want to show you here because it's very, very clear. So at first thing, these are the exchanges which are supporting the Luna airdrop: Binance, Huobi, Bybit, BitTrue, Bitfinex, Kraken, FTX, Gate.io, OKX or OKX. So these are the, if you had here your Luna, then you will get an airdrop. So who exactly will get the airdrop? So pre-attack. First things first. So pre-attack, wait a minute here. At the pre-attack, if you had Luna including staking derivatives or USD deposit in Anchor protocol, that's AUSD, then you get, if you had less than 10k Luna in your wallet, then you get here, then you get here, you see 30% unlock at Genesis and 70% vested over 2 years with 6-month cliff. So it means that you have a 6-month cliff, you cannot sell, and then after 2 years you can 70% sell. If you had less than a million Luna in your wallet, then you have a 1-year cliff and a 2-year vesting thereafter, right? You get, so, and if you have more than 1 million Luna in your wallet, then it's also 1-year cliff, but 4-year vesting thereafter, because it's obviously they don't want that you sell your tokens right after you getting them, because if you have more than 1 million Luna, then you obviously get a bigger airdrop, right? Then the people who bought after Luna and Don Juan personally shitted in your face, who had Luna including staking derivatives and who bought USD after this attack, you get 30% unlocked at Genesis, so 30%, and 70% vested over 2 years thereafter with 6-month cliffs. So here you can make again a picture of it if you want to watch it later. Guys, I hope it could help you to understand how much tokens you get and how fast you can sell it. So this is one thing. The second thing is, guys, I personally, I mean, it's your decision. You can go on Bybit and buy Luna. By the way, on Bybit you get right now, at the moment, where is it? You get all in all with Phoenix 8,720, but on Bybit you get 4,620 for free. And on Bybit you can also buy Luna, right? If you don't use my link, you get only $400 bonus. So, I mean, it's your decision, guys. For me, it's a win-win situation. You get 4,620 after initial deposit, but you have to decide. And on Bybit, you get 30 days zero maker fee. So, and like you see, you can buy on Bybit Luna, but it's right now still not launched on Binance. And I think on Binance, there will be even, we see maybe big wick to the upside and then to the downside, so the people will all drop their airdrops, right? So I'm expecting here that we will see Luna going even further down. So I personally would not recommend right now to buy Luna 2. My personal opinion, please do your own research, guys. If you want to buy, maybe I will buy, but if it's much more if it's much more cheaper and people all get the airdrop and sell it, and after it, when it's going to, I don't know, $1 or something like that, maybe I will buy it, maybe. If you want to buy it, you can buy it on Bybit, link is down below with this bonus 4,620. So right now, let us watch what is happening here with Bitcoin, and not much is happening. We are again at 29,000, guys, and it's still, in my opinion, valid. If we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon with the clear 4-hourly candle, we can long Bitcoin to 30,150. The second price target will be 30,500. The third price target would be 31,300, and the fourth price target would be around here, this red line, resistance line, 31,400, 32,400. So it's 9.4% at the last price target. 10x average 94%, 5x leverage 42%, right? But like I told you, we are in a downtrend, and the probability that we are breaking down is more likely than that we are breaking up. Okay, I'm recording. I was afraid that I'm not recording. So yes, the probability to a breakdown is more likely. However, we could see here a huge pump, right? A huge pump. So because they want to liquidate all the people, right? So we could see here a huge pump to this resistance line 33,400 and then a huge dump. So be prepared for it. If you are in a short position, make sure that your stop loss is to your entry position, so you get thrown out of the market, don't lose any money, or move your stop loss position so that you don't get wrecked if we're going to 33,500 even, right? Be prepared for it, guys. I could imagine it could happen. Be prepared for it, but I see this as a bull trap, right? So I see, yes, we can see pump, but after the huge dump. This is what I'm more expecting, and the probability is more likely, right? So in my opinion, still we can take here advantage of it. If we break above 4-hourly EMA, we can long. If we break right now below 28,800, 28,900, we can short Bitcoin, in my opinion, and we can short Ethereum and all the other altcoins. 28,800. The first price target would be around 28,300, 28,200. It's 1.8%. And the second price target would be around 26,500. It's 8%, 10x average 80%, 5x average 40%. So on Bybit, you can also buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins, also Luna, 4,620 you get for free after initial deposit, and 30 days zero maker fee, guys. So the second thing, Ethereum. Let us watch quickly what is happening with Ethereum. We see, like exactly like I tell you this every time, Ethereum pump because of Bitcoin, right? And I expecting here, if we see further Bitcoin pumping, wait a minute, I tell you my price targets. If Bitcoin will pump, my first price tag would be, the first price tag would be 1,859. It's 3%, 3.6%. The second price tag 1,912, and the third price tag would be around below $2,000. It's around 11%, 10x average 110%, 5x average 55%. If Bitcoin break further down, then my price target is obviously right now the previous low around 1,716. It's 4%, 10x average 40%, 5x average 20%, and then around 1,530. It's 14%, 10x average 140%, 5x average 70%. And also Ethereum, you get on Bybit, you can buy on through spot or shorting or longing, how you want, guys. So quick summary, let me again quick summary give you very important, guys. I said I don't expect much volume until the stock market in US open, and I told you the S&P 500 stock market usually open on Monday, but I was wrong. It's usually open on Monday, but this time they have some holidays, so the stock market will open on Tuesday, right? And I told you I'm expecting here that we will see a dump in the stock market. Why we will see dump? I'm expecting because we see 1 hourly is heavily overbought, right? And so I'm expecting here that we will see a dump in the stock market, which would mean that also crypto market will dump, because they usually follow the stock market. But the stock market will open only at Tuesday this time. But however, I expecting on Sunday evening, when the stock market in Asia open, that we will see here high volatility. So be prepared for it. And quick summary, if we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. If we break below 28,800, 28,900, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. You can use Bybit if you want and get this bonus 4,620 without my link. If you make regular, you get only $400 bonus. So it's on you to decide how you want, guys. I hope I could help you. For the airdrop, you don't have to do anything. If you had Luna, I showed you, then you get automatically the airdrop. I also didn't get yet the airdrop, but we will all get it, yes, we just have to wait. I hope it could help you. If you have any questions, please write me down below and tell me, are you short on long position, guys? You long, sometimes you do it, but it's very important for me. You shorting or long right now, also for me to know how is your feeling and where you made profit. Please write me down below. It's very interesting for me. And if you want this bonus 4,620, go on Bybit. It costs you 1 minute registration, and we see maybe even later. I kiss you.